Buenos dias, guys. I'm here at the gym and about to sign up. Say hola. Recepcionista. We're upstairs outside. This is one of the only air-conditioned gyms here, and it's called Jaco Beach Fitness Club, Costa Rica. Here's their prices. For a week, it's roughly around $15 when I did the exchange rate, and then a month is around $30. So if you're staying here and you want to go work out, this is where I recommend come here. And you can see all the equipment over here. They got like the new shit. It's inside and it's got air conditioning. They got some trainers here, lots of machines. The free weights are over there. I'm gonna go lift some weights and because the cardio just kicks ain't enough, or surfing or hiking, you gotta still do some strength training, and that's why they got another gym on the north end of Jaco. This is on the south end, right here at the very end of Jaco, where it starts coming in, and then there's another gym all the way at the end of Jaco, across like the subway, and it's on the second floor too, but it doesn't. It's out. It's kind of outdoor. It doesn't have glass, so you're looking straight out, and you're kind of like in the heat, or like whatever the temperature is outside. So I prefer this one, air conditioned, and it looks more modern. So that's not that bad. $20 or $15 for a week. That's pretty good, and then $30 for a month. I'm not staying here that long, so I only got the week. But yeah, all right, guys. Talk to you soon. Hopefully that helps, and let me know if you come here and work out too. All right, adios, pura vida.